Hey guys, welcome back to Ouch Mountain. Today we're looking for a little more success than last week, so y'all stay with us. So we're back out here early this morning trying to beat the heat. It's going to be another scorcher here in East Tennessee with high humidity, high temperatures. So try to get some work done before it gets too hot on us. So we're hoping this goes better than last week. We tried to dig the holes for our concrete pillars that are going to hold up the posts for our woodshed. And I guess we had the gas-powered auger, and it did okay if it was in kind of soft dirt, but in the hard-packed clay, it did not do any good at all. So we dropped back, and we're going to go with plan B today. And plan B is we have borrowed from a friend a jackhammer, an electric jackhammer, and we're going to try to jackhammer some of that dirt out and then hand shovel it out and see if we have any better success than we did last week digging these holes. All right, I don't know how this is going to go, but we're going to give it a try with this jackhammer.
Inspector is back. The foreman, I guess that is.
The jackhammer is doing better than the auger, but it's not very easy. We're making progress. Or at least that's what the foreman keeps saying. So we think we just finished this hole. It's about 16 inches deep. We're going to come out of the hole about 3 to 4 inches with the pier. So we think that's going to be deep enough for our first pillar here in the woodshed. I think we got that one done. Let's move to the next one.
Looks like that one's about 13. Looks like the foreman is asleep on the job.
So we have these 4 holes dug and cleaned out, and we think we have the top of the piers level. So we are going to start pouring these 4 with our Quickcrete and hopefully beat the rain that's coming this afternoon.
So we had to invest in a little mixing tub. Our wheelbarrow about bit the dust, the piers we poured last time. So this was the biggest one they had in stock last night. I don't know if it's big enough or not. So the sun came out and was pretty hot, beating down on us. We've been working with a little bit of cloud cover, but the sun came out. So we decided to put this canopy up, just give us a little bit of shade and put a little shade on this concrete that we're pouring so it won't set up too fast.
All of it, and it came out pretty close, maybe just a hair too much. How's that look?
Looks pretty good. Hard to tell with that shadow on it, but it looks pretty good.
So this morning we got started really early, and we finished digging out these 4 holes in the center of our woodshed and worked really hard. It was very hot. We worked from about 7 until a little bit after 3 this afternoon. Got those poured, and we still have 3 more holes to dig out and pour. And we're going to see what we can do. We did take a little bit of an extended break, lunch break after 3, so I think we feel recharged. We're going to try to get these done. Pretty good. Perfect. Yay!
I don't know if anybody else's work site looks like this. We've got tape measures, tools, water bottles. We're staying hydrated, Dave. We've got concrete bags, crowbars, shovels, string, concrete form, knee pads, levels, a little bit of everything. Not sure how we get ourselves in such a mess, but it adds for a little extra work at the end of the day. I think we must have every tool we own pulled out of the barn. It doesn't really matter what project we do. It seems like we have every tool pulled out because we think we've got it all together and we have to go back to the barn to get something else. Now, if we could train our supervisors to retrieve, you are a golden retriever, right, Annie? If we could train them to retrieve, we might be able to get these tools put up a little more quickly. Woohoo! Last bag for the night, I think. You jump for joy and click your heels together?
I don't think I could tonight. So I think we're done for today. I think we've had all we can take. We've actually dug out 6 piers, 6 holes, poured those with concrete. We got 4 of those done this morning, kind of late this afternoon. Took a little break, got these last 2 here poured, dug out and poured completely, and glad to have those done. That was a big job. It's been a really hot day. I think when we came back out at 6 p.m. tonight, it feels like we're still like 98 degrees. So it's been a really hot day for me and Sarah, but we got these done. Glad to have them done. It's one step closer to getting our structure up, get our wood shed up. So if you like watching our videos, hit the subscribe button, click the like button, send us some comments, and share it with a friend. And we'll see you next time on Ouch Mountain.